What if the next coworker in a factory isn't human at all? Boston Dynamics has just unveiled the next generation of its humanoid robot Atlas. And this time, it's not a demo, it's a deployment plan. At CES in Las Vegas, Boston Dynamics revealed a fully redesigned Atlas robot built to work in real factories. Hyundai, the company's parent group, announced plans to deploy up to 30,000 Atlas robots per year by 2028, a massive step toward humanoid robots working alongside humans. In its early stages, Atlas will focus on tasks like sorting, organizing, and handling components inside Hyundai factories. These are repetitive, physically demanding jobs that often cause injuries or fatigue for human workers. By 2030, Hyundai expects Atlas to evolve further, taking on heavier, more complex industrial tasks, transforming how factories operate. The new Atlas is fully electric, completely redesigned from previous hydraulic versions. It features 56 degrees of freedom, allowing incredibly human-like movement, balance, and flexibility. Atlas is also water-resistant, operates in extreme temperatures from 20 to plus 40 degrees C, and includes tactile sensors that allow it to feel objects instead of just seeing them. One standout feature is automatic battery swapping, meaning Atlas can keep working with minimal downtime. On the software side, the robot uses advanced AI technologies developed with Google DeepMind and NVIDIA, giving it the ability to perceive, plan, and adapt to complex environments in real time. Right now, producing a single Atlas robot costs hundreds of thousands of dollars. However, Hyundai believes that large-scale manufacturing will dramatically reduce costs, similar to what happened with electric vehicles and industrial robots in the past. Hyundai emphasizes that Atlas is not meant to replace humans, but to work alongside them. The long-term vision is a collaborative factory where robots handle dangerous and exhausting work, while humans focus on creativity, supervision, and problem-solving. With Atlas moving from lab demos to factory floors, the era of humanoid robots is no longer science fiction, it's scheduled. The real question now is, are we ready to work with them?